The new Mini 3 and 5 door are built for driving enjoyment and for exploring more corners of the city. But let's start with the first thing you see, the body colours. These new models are now available in new colours, this one in particular, the striking Solaris Orange. And there are plenty of exciting new extras too. So let's begin at the front, and right here with the iconic Mini logo. It comes in a new design, a completely smooth, modern cut of the Mini emblem, which proudly adorns the front and rear, as well as the key fob and steering wheel. The newly designed LED headlights inherit new daytime driving lights that are a complete circle, and when you're about to turn, the indicators that sit in the same light will change from white to orange. Another new element is the Matrix light technology. It guarantees the best possible illumination level by driving with the high beam switched on all the time. When your lights are on high beam, it detects oncoming traffic and reflective objects by the road and automatically dips the brightness while keeping other parts of the road lit up. It works on cars driving in front of you too, meaning that you can keep the high beam on, but you minimize glare in their rearview mirror. The rear lights are also fitted with LED lamps as standard, with the added option of a new Union Jack design, paying tribute to the Mini's British design heritage. The new Mini is also equipped with NLU, or natural language understanding, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, and command your car to do things using your voice instead. It'll understand your normal speaking voice, and you can even interrupt. Show me the fastest way back home. Also, Spotify and Apple CarPlay are now available in your Mini, and most of it can be controlled with your voice, so you're not distracted from the road. Mini Connected helps you to avoid traffic and shows you the quickest route to your destination by sending you real-time traffic information straight to your car's monitor. Finally, if you find yourself in an unknown part of the world and craving a specific type of cuisine, or want to find something highly recommended somewhere along your route, your concierge can point you in the right direction at any time, day or night, 7 days a week. You just have to press one button and the car calls the concierge service to book you a table in a restaurant or let you know what's on the menu, for example.
Mini Concierge Service, how can I help you?
They will send you the route directly to your navigation system. So there it is. Connected is extra comfort, convenience and security. It's your Mini and your Mini world right there in your pocket. Stay tuned for more.